Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to be solving basic algebraic equations. So, say if you had an equation like 2x plus 5 equals 15. How would you solve this? Well, the goal of this is to isolate x and simplify this equation as much as possible on both sides. So, we can do this by subtracting 5 on both sides. These cancel out and we get 2x equals 10. We then divide both sides of the equation by 2. These 2's cancel out and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we would get x equals 5. However, we do want to check to make sure our answer is accurate. So we will want to plug in 5 into x. So we write out 2 times 5 plus 5 equals 15. 2 times 5, 10, plus 5 equals 15. And then 10 plus 5, 15, and therefore we get 15 equals 15, and therefore our answer is correct and accurate. This is just one of the problems we'll be doing, so without any further ado, let's move on. Here's another one you could try. Feel free to pause the video and attempt this one yourself. 4x minus 3 equals 17. Okay, so as previously, we want to add 3 on both sides. So these 3's will cancel out. We get 4x equals 20. Divide both sides by 4 so we can get x by itself. And the 4's cancel out. 20 divided by 4 is 5, so we get x equals 5. Then we want to plug this in, plug 5 into x, so 4 times 5 minus 3 equals 17. 20, well, 4 times 5 is 20, yeah, minus 3 equals 17, and we get 17 equals 17. So x equals 5 is accurate. And let's go to the other side here. Gonna write on the other side of our chalkboard. Let's try x over 3 plus 7 equals 10. Try this one. Okay, so we can subtract 7 on both sides. And these 7's will cancel out. And we get x over 3 equals 3. What can we do here? Well, x is in a fraction, and 3 is the denominator. So what we can do is we can multiply both sides by 3. Therefore, these 3's will cancel out, and then we get x equals 9. But however, like always, we want to check by plugging 9 into x, and we would do this by writing out 9 over 3 plus 7 equals 10. 9 divided by 3, 3 plus 7 equals 10. And 3 plus 7, we get 10, so 10 equals 10. This holds true, and therefore x equals 9 is the correct answer for this one. So if you were able to work through these, great job. If not, that's okay. We're going to move on to a few more. Let's try this one. X minus 8 equals 12. Oh, was I kidding? We're still going to solve this one anyway. All we really have to do is add 8 on both sides. And then we would get x equals 20. Plug in 20 into x into the original equation. 20 minus 8 equals 12. 20 minus 8, 12. So we get 12 equals 12. This holds true, and x equals 20 is accurate. Let's try one where we would have to do distributive property. 3 times x minus 2 equals 12. So first, we would apply distributive property. 3 times x would just get us 3x. 3 times negative 2 would be negative 6, and this would be equal to 12. Add 6 on both sides. We get 3x equals 18. Divide 3 on both sides. 3's cancel out. Oh, needed to do the same for the 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. But however, we do need to plug 6 into the original equation. So we will write out 3 times 6 minus 2 equals 12. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And we get 12 equals 12. This holds true, and x equals 6 is accurate. Let's try this one now. 6x minus 4 equals 2x plus 12. You could pause the video and try this yourself if you like. So first, let's take care of our x terms. We could subtract negative, well, not negative, we could subtract 2x on both sides. This would get us 4x minus 4 equals 12. Then we could add 4 on both sides. This would get us 4x equals 16. Divide 4 on both sides, and the 4's cancel out, and we get x equals 4. We would then have to plug 4 into the original equation. So I'm going to just do it up here. We would write out 6 times 4 minus 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 12. 6 times 4, 24. So 24 minus 4 equals 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 12. 24 minus 4 is 20. And 8 plus 12 is 20 as well. This holds true, and x equals 4 is our final answer. Let's work through one last problem. 2x over 5 equals 6. What we will want to do first is multiply both sides by 5. The 5's on the left side wouldn't cancel out as our x term has a coefficient, meaning we would get 10x over 5 equals 30. 10x divided by 5 is 2x. Then it will be equal to 30. Divide 2 on both sides. These 2's cancel out. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So x equals 15, but let's make sure that's accurate by plugging it into the original equation. 2 times 15 over 5 equals 6. 2 times 15, 30. 30 over 5 equals 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and we get 6 equals 6. This holds true, and x equals 15 is our accurate answer. Alright, that's going to be all for this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you enjoyed, and feel free to leave any types of feedback in the comments, whether it's positive or constructive. That's going to be all from me, and I will see you in the next one.